In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Tap to Pay feature at checkout to accept payments on the QuickBooks app. Whether you're running a small business or managing finances on the go, accepting payments quickly and efficiently can significantly impact your customer satisfaction and streamline your operations. First things first, let's open the QuickBooks app on your device. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet and running the latest version of the app for optimal performance. Once the app is open and ready, navigate to the checkout or point of sale section. Here, you'll see an option to initiate a new transaction, allowing you to effortlessly proceed with the payment process. Now, locate the Tap to Pay feature within the checkout interface. This innovative feature is designed to simplify payments by leveraging contactless technology, enabling customers to pay with their NFC-enabled cards or devices like smartphones and smartwatches. It's important to verify that your device supports NFC features, as this capability is essential for the Tap to Pay functionality to work seamlessly. Once you're in the Tap to Pay section, ensure you have the payment amount entered correctly. Clear communication with your customer at this stage is vital to confirm the total before proceeding. If any adjustments are necessary, now is the time to make them to avoid any misunderstandings or discrepancies. With the amount confirmed and displayed on the screen, politely instruct your customer to tap their NFC-enabled card or device against your phone or tablet where the NFC reader is located. Be sure to hold your device steady for a smooth transaction. The app will automatically detect the payment method and process the transaction without additional steps. This quick and convenient process is designed to minimize waiting times and enhance the overall customer experience. During this transaction, you may notice a brief moment for processing. It's completely normal as the app securely communicates with the payment network to authorize the payment. Once approved, a confirmation message will appear on your screen, indicating a successful transaction. At this point, you can offer your customer a digital receipt by promptly sending it to their email or phone number, ensuring they have a record of their purchase. Before wrapping up, remember to thank your customer for their business, a simple but effective way to reinforce positive interactions and encourage repeat business. The Tap to Pay feature not only makes transactions quicker but also boosts security, as it reduces the need for handling cash or exchanging cards. In conclusion, using the Tap to Pay feature in the QuickBooks app offers a modern solution for accepting payments, making transactions more efficient and customer-friendly. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering this handy tool and enhancing your business operations. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more helpful QuickBooks tips and tutorials.